Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx.
And I'm Karen from Wiley X.
We are here to talk about the tried, the true, the ever popular, the never going away, the frame that built Wiley X, the SG-1.
Yes.
Karen, what's going on here?
Well, the SG-1 has been around at Wiley X longer than I have, which is 14 years. This has probably been around for at least 16, 17 years.
I was gonna say like 150
Maybe.
years. Yeah, this
Quite
thing
possible.
is forever.
But this frame is our #1 selling frame. We sell a ton of these to the military. This frame has all kinds of great uses and all kinds of great features. So it's an extremely flexible frame. So it has an extremely comfortable fit to it. And the temples are removable and can be replaced with a goggle strap. So you can wear it as a spectacle or as a goggle.
Pretty
And
cool.
although this frame is extremely flexible and extremely lightweight, it actually meets the military's ballistic standard.
Ballistic is for real. So regular safety, which all Wileys are at least regular safety. Is it a 1/4 inch ball bearing at 150 feet per second? It has to withstand that.
For the ANSI standard.
For ANSI, but ballistic, it's 650 feet per second.
Yes.
So these things are serious protection.
Yes, these are serious protection.
Absolute premium protection, in fact.
Yes.
Yeah, see what I did there?
So the lenses are interchangeable. So you're gonna get a set of clear lenses and a set of gray lenses with this frame. You're gonna get the temples and the goggle strap. You will get this zippered clamshell case. And you also get a cleaning cloth and a leash cord with this
You get
frame.
everything. You
Yep.
get the hard case, you get the extra lenses, you can clean them, you can turn them into goggles. If they're glasses and you want to have a strap, it comes with the strap.
Yes.
They're interchangeable, they're ballistic, they have the little foam, they're vented. No wonder you guys sell these all day long.
Yes, we sell a ton of these
They
things.
fit a lot of different face shapes because of the flexibility, right?
Correct, yes.
Yeah, I would say I'm like a large, extra large. You're like small.
Yes, extra
Extra
small to
small
small.
almost, and-
Yeah, and just about anybody can wear this frame.
Yeah, let me see it with the temples. Let's throw those on. And it's got the little nose guard too.
The lenses are also treated with an anti-fog and an anti-scratch coating, so the lenses are extremely durable. And you can get these babies in prescription.
Yeah, so it's really cool. What you can do is get them in prescription with like one dark lens, and then you could get the second set of bezels also done in prescription. So you can have an interchangeable safety, military, ballistic, motorcycle kind of setup. Have so many options. You turn one pair of glasses into dark or to clear, or you can turn them into goggles or into glasses. I mean, there's a reason why these things can't stay on the shelves. Super, super versatile pair of glasses. And they're not that expensive. What do they run?
This frame with all of these accessories and both sets of lenses retails for $114.
That's pretty amazing. And of course, if you need them in prescription, that's going to be the base price, and it'll go up from there for your RX lenses. But we'll take care of you here at SportRx. So fit-wise, it's kind of hard to say with these fit. They're almost like a one size fits most. But if you want technical information on the lenses, the width of the lens is 60 millimeters. The height of the lens is 32 millimeters. The nose bridge area is 24 millimeters. The temple to temple width of the frame is 139 millimeters, but that flexes, so take that with a grain of salt. And the temple length when you're wearing them as glasses is 130 millimeters. So that's the SG-1. I mean, that's just, there's a lot going on with this SG-1. You might have more questions. If you do, you can email info@sportrx.com or leave a comment down in the comment section. If this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Bye.
Bye-bye.